Hey guys, welcome to TradingAnalysis.ai. In today's video, we're going to introduce what TradingAnalysis.ai is, why it was built, and how it helps traders analyze smarter, improve consistency, and make better trading decisions using AI. Trading today is more accessible than ever, but at the same time, it's also more confusing. There are too many strategies, too many indicators, and too much information. Traders often spend hours analyzing charts, switching between tools, and still end up second-guessing their decisions. That's exactly why TradingAnalysis.ai was created. TradingAnalysis.ai is an AI-powered trading ecosystem designed to simplify analysis, improve decision-making, and help traders become more consistent. Instead of using multiple tools, everything is combined into one platform. Let's walk through how it works. First, we have AI Insights. AI Insights allows traders to upload any chart and receive instant AI-powered analysis. Instead of manually marking up charts, traders get key levels, entries, stop losses, take profit zones, and confidence scores within seconds. This helps traders analyze faster and focus on high-probability setups. Next, we have Morning Edge. Morning Edge provides daily AI-powered market insights before the New York session opens. Instead of scanning dozens of charts every morning, traders get a curated list of opportunities across Forex, crypto, stocks, and metals. This helps traders start the day with clarity and a structured plan. Then we have TradeLog. TradeLog helps traders track performance and analyze their trading behavior. Instead of relying on memory, traders can log trades, track win rates, review performance trends, and identify areas for improvement. This turns random trading into structured growth. Next is TradeCoach. TradeCoach is an AI-powered feedback system. Traders upload their trade, provide details, and receive structured feedback. The AI reviews entries, exits, and risk management and provides an overall grade along with suggestions for improvement. Then we have Edge Academy. Edge Academy provides structured trading education. From beginner fundamentals to advanced concepts like smart money concepts, price action, and risk management, traders can follow step-by-step courses designed for real-world trading. Next is Research Vaults. Research Vaults provide deep research and historical analysis for specific instruments like gold, Apple, and Tesla. Traders can explore session behavior, historical patterns, and event-based studies to better understand how markets behave. And finally, Custom Analysis. Custom Analysis allows traders to request deep AI-powered research on any instrument. The system analyzes years of historical data and provides actionable insights, behavioral patterns, and key trading levels. All of these tools work together to create one complete trading ecosystem. Instead of guessing, traders can analyze with clarity. Instead of random trades, traders can build consistency. Instead of switching between tools, everything is available in one place. TradingAnalysis.ai is built to help traders at every stage, whether you're just starting out or already experienced. Because better trading doesn't come from more tools. It comes from smarter tools working together. And that's exactly what TradingAnalysis.ai is designed to deliver.